Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to post 10 photos on Instagram at the same time on a computer using the application called GRIDS for Instagram. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an Instagram account, the application called GRIDS for Instagram. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to GRIDS, make sure you're signed into the account, and then go to your profile. We will now be uploading 10 photos at the same time. So then go to upload, add a new post, click on multiple uploads, go to documents, my YouTube channel, search for Instagram, 10 photos, open all 10 photos at the same time. So now we are then able to upload all the photos. We can choose which photo we wish to have first by dragging and dropping, and then write a caption: 10 Instagram photos. Computer science videos. Click on share. This may take some time depending on your upload speed, your internet connection, the connectivity. And now the upload itself has been completed. Go to your account, go to the post. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All from a computer. We posted 10 photos to Instagram using the application called GRIDS. We can minimize GRIDS for the moment. Go to the dock again. Go to the web browser, which is Safari. Go to Instagram. Make sure we are signed into the account. Go to the post. And we have 10 photos posted to our Instagram account. We could then go to a mobile device, a tablet, to see the photos themselves. Quick Safari, quick GRIDS. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.